This is Brian McGlenn with MarineMax and Stuart. Today we're going to have the pleasure of taking you through a very quick walkthrough of a Sea Ray 400 SLX outboard. This boat has the horizon hull sides with the kingfish teal boot stripe. Very unique look, definitely a head turn around the water. As most of you know, we like to nickname this boat the Entertainer for great reason, as we'll show you as we go through the boat. We do have the upgraded power on this boat. We have twin Mercury 600 V12s, dual prop, 2-speed transmission, tons of power, and almost silent on the water. So with all that said, let's hop aboard and go through a quick walkthrough. We will start here in the transom. You have a massive aft sun pad with a backrest that will spin around. We offer it in this version. We do have the fold down swim terrace on the starboard side. So as people are hanging out in the water, you can face in their direction and socialize. One of the coolest parts about this boat is the storage. So we have actually room for 2 paddle boards in this aft storage area. Plus we have a pole with a freshwater washdown to create a stand-up shower right here on the swim platform. As we walk through the boat, space is the first thing that comes to mind. We have a 12-foot beam, maximizing space and entertainment. As I mentioned, this is great for entertaining, hence the nickname. Wraparound styles, couch style seating, teak table that will fold over. This port side seat will swivel to face forward or back depending on how you're using the boat. And then what a great summer kitchen. So we actually have one grill, the other side is a cooler. We do have the option to put 2 grills in this boat, and then we do have 2 refrigerators. We have a sink, all inlaid by a beautiful Korean countertop. This boat does have the upgrade sunroof and the aft sunshade. As we walk up to the helm, you'll notice a state-of-the-art electronics package. We have upgraded Simrad displays, Bocatech switches along the dash, Mercury digital throttles, Mercury joystick, auto trim tab, Seakeeper. Cannot get much better than that. We'll pan around to give you a glimpse of the cockpit here. You'll notice how spacious it is. As we go inside the cabin, we do have a forward table, which will drop down to create a berth. And then your largest sleeping area is in the aft berth. Well-appointed head. We do have a shower in there. Again, this is just a quick walkthrough. We'd love to show you a little bit more about this boat. Please feel free to give us a call or visit us at MarineMax Stuart, 772-287-4495. Thank you for watching.